We will start our today's session. In this session, we are going to learn a chapter 5th, that is presenting ideas. In this chapter, what we are going to learn means whatever the ideas in our minds, whatever the picturization in our minds, that thoughts, that ideas we can present in a slide manner or in the professional manner by making a very professional report. So how we can do this, that things we are going to learn in this chapter. See, let us start our chapter 5th, presenting ideas. Now here are two friends, Samaira and Shirong. They are visiting some places, and they capture the photos, they capture the videos, they collect the information. huh? So both the friends have a very good quality of material, but they want to make a professional report to present in front of the readers. So how they can make? They will make by presenting their ideas by using the applications. Which are that applications? See, that is nothing but the that application is nothing but LibreOffice. Here, it is going to very interesting, and it is, let us use the impression, a presentation tool huh, from LibreOffice suite. Means LibreOffice suite, it is exactly same as your PowerPoint presentation. But there is a slight difference between the PowerPoint presentation and LibreOffice. It is the LibreOffice, it is the open source. Means anybody can change, modify, editing, and some little what toolbox is different from PowerPoint presentation that we are going to learn in this chapter. So, how we can start the impression application, impression program from the open LibreOffice. See, I will show you the practical. You watch. Just click on the start button. Go in the all programs. Find out the open LibreOffice in the all programs. Here on the bottom side, open LibreOffice. uh, Here the open LibreOffice. In our syllabus there is a 5.1 series, but I have installed here LibreOffice 6.4. Have you seen my cursor there? सबको कर्सर दिखाई दे रहा है? हाँ, you just click on the open LibreOffice, and there are some programs in that LibreOffice. We have to choose only impression. Have you got this impression? This, click on this impression. When you click on this impression, it is going on to open. Now this is the first screen in front of you. Choose any one slide. This one, this one. These are the templates that are already available in the application. Choose any one template, open it. Means that template is coming in front of you as like a PowerPoint presentation. शायद आपको PowerPoint presentation पता होगा, आप लोगों ने स्लाइड्स बनाई होंगी 8th standard में. The same way, these are the same way. There is a slight difference in the toolbox only. Toolbox जो यहाँ पर दिखाई दे रहा है, स्क्रीन जो दिखाई दे रहा है वो थोड़ा डिफरेंट है, और टूलबॉक्स थोड़ा अलग है. बाकी सेम फंक्शंस दोनों में अवेलेबल होते हैं, पावरपॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन में भी और इम्प्रेशन में भी. अभी यहाँ पर व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्क्रीन. नाउ व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, लेट अस सी. Here the same top slide and the same screen is open. Now what is the next topic? See, in the title bar we are typing some title, and द रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग इज आवर लेआउट। टाइटल बार में हम लोग हमारा टाइटल, जो हम लोग टाइटल देना चाहते हैं हमारे रिपोर्ट को, दैट टाइटल वी आर टाइपिंग इन द टाइटल बार, एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ द एरिया दैट इज कॉल्ड द लेआउट। जो बाकी बचा हुआ जो एरिया होता है व्हाइट कलर का बैकग्राउंड वाला, उसे हम लोग लेआउट कहते हैं। क्या कहते हैं? लेआउट। दैट इज कॉल्ड लेआउट। इन दैट लेआउट वी कैन टाइप द डिफरेंट थिंग्स, वी कैन ऐड द टेक्स्ट, वी कैन ऐड।
बराबर नहीं आ रहा था।
आवाज बराबर नहीं आ रहा है बच्चों? हेलो?
अभी आ रहा है।
ओके। डबल आवाज आ रहा है क्या?
हाँ, 2 बार आ रहा था।
हाँ, 1 मिनट, रुक जाओ। हाँ, नाउ यू गेट इट माई वॉइस क्लियर? अभी ठीक आ रहा है? हेलो? कोई तो बताओ मुझे। ओके। Now, here the second screen, here what that slides we have to make. Now let us do the practical. Open that copy here, and you type some title here, means whatever the collection of you have the material, और किस तरह का रिपोर्ट आप बनाना चाहते हो, उस तरह का टाइटल आपको यहाँ पे टाइप करना है। जैसे कि यहाँ पर कौन सा दिया है उन्होंने? हिस्टोरिकल प्लेसेस ऑफ दिल्ली। द सेम वे वी कैन यूज हिस्टोरिकल places of Jaipur. We are using different one. Okay, historical places of Jaipur. Now, again we can take the text box. We can insert the text box from here. From here, click on the text box and type here something. Historical places of Jaipur. A visit of historical monuments of Jaipur. A visit of historical monument of Jaipur. Historical monuments of Jaipur. In this way you can make different text, and you just adjust the size of that text. Again, what you right click on that text, and you can insert the color on the background. In this way you can manage your text. The same thing you can copy and paste, and this report, in this way you can make the text report made by class 9. Class 9 here. Now one slide, we can just make the title, and the second slide, if we want to again add the slides, we just go in the slide, click on the new slide. The new slide will be come in front of you. In this way, again you can type the what material you have about your picture. You can directly insert the picture also from insert image. Click on, you find out the image, what image you have to insert in the your presentation. That image you find out. Select the image. In this way you can put up the image in your presentation. Give the name to the slide, Hawa Mahal. This is the picture of Hawa Mahal. You can adjust the picture size. Again, in the next slide you can add, how you can add the audio file, or you instead of audio file you can add the information about the Hawa Mahal. So that way you can add. You take the details, copy and paste. So in this way you copy. Are you getting my voice clear? You just insert the information. What information you had, that information you can place, and after placing the information about that slide, you can apply the transition also. Here text box, you collect the text box. You can add animation. You can add the animation to your text. It is blinking, means in this way different effects you can apply. Again, you can give another scroll through. Start in this way. In this way you can apply the different transitions, effects to your text, and you can modify your report as per your wish. That transition will be going on. Again, if you want to add a new slide, you can add it. New slide. In this slide, if you want to add the audio file, then what you do, you just create a new slide, then click on the insert, click on the audio, click on audio, choose the audio file. That audio file may be a MP3. That audio file must be a MP3 file. Otherwise, the other type of extension will not run in your presentation. That MP3 file you choose. and open it. Audio file. You go in the library, music, any sample music, mp3. It will inserted in your slide. If you want to listen what sound quality is appear in your slide, you just press F5 button. F5 button you press, huh? And your PowerPoint presentation will be running on, huh? In this way. Then have you listened the voice music file? The music file will is running on. Again, if you want to add another slide for the video, you can add it. Video. You choose any one video from your libraries and add the video. And your video is added to your slide. The same way, if you are pressing F5 button and you are going, you can add the different videos, audio files, again text, modify the text, giving the animation to the text, picturization, a different picturization you can add. Means this already you had done in 8th standard in the PowerPoint presentation. The same are in the impression, means it's only a different application. The same functions are here, only the picturization of the tools and settings are only different, but the working of that functions is the same as like your presentation, PowerPoint presentation. Got it now? Only these kind of settings and tools are available in the impression that you can utilize for your report while making your report professionally, and nothing else in this application and in this chapter. It is very short chapter, as like PowerPoint presentation. There are only to present your report professionally and nothing else. Got it now? सबको समझ में आया? बहुत छोटा चैप्टर है, इसमें कुछ ज़्यादा बड़ा चीज़ नहीं है, ये ऑलरेडी तुम लोग कर चुके हो, इसमें कुछ और मुझे ज़्यादा बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. लेकिन to attend and to complete this chapter, that's why I am conducting this session, and to complete this chapter you just follow this instruction and try to make it one of the report as per your wish. Choose any one topic, make the report professionally, and